To make one leaf, you will need a 15 centimeter piece of thin wire. Set it aside for now, you will use it later. With your chosen yarn, chain 7, once finished, take the wire and fold it in half. Hold the chain and the wire together and continue crocheting while guiding the wire along the back of your work. Into the fourth chain from the hook, crochet 3 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, in the following stitch 1 half double crochet, and in the last stitch 1 single crochet. Now pull the leaf all the way up to the turning point and make a picot. So chain 3, then crochet 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Continue working on the other side of the chain, still keeping the wire behind your work. Crochet 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 3 double crochet into the last stitch. Then chain 3 and join with a slip stitch into the same stitch where you made the 3 double crochet. Cut the yarn. Take the wire, pull the leaf into shape and twist the 2 wire ends together for about 1 centimeter. Wrap the yarn tail around the twisted wire and secure it. Make 10 leaves in different colors. Once you have finished all 10 leaves, take the 20 cm thicker wire. This is what we will use as the base to attach the leaves. So, take one leaf and place it at the end of the wire. Using the leftover hanging wire, wrap it around the thicker wire. First with one, then with the other. Repeat this process with the rest of the leaves. Leave a small gap between each one and be careful with your fingers so the wire doesn't poke you. So basically you hold the leaf, separate the 2 hanging stems and wrap them around the thicker wire. Repeat this with all the remaining leaves. Attach 5 leaves on one side and 5 on the other. Once all the leaves are attached, grab the brown yarn and add a small drop of glue to one end of the branch. Press the end of the yarn into it and start wrapping the yarn around the wire. Where the leaves are attached, gently bend the leaf away so you can wrap the yarn all the way up to the joint. Then bend it back and wrap them together for a few turns. This will help hide the connection nicely. Now continue wrapping the entire wire in the same way. At the end of the wiring, add a small drop of glue and secure the end of the brown yarn. After you are done, glue the birds onto the branch. You can find the bird pattern in another video from this series. Check the description below and the link up here as well.